freshwater blue green microlarge Cyanobacteria nostrae. Cyanobacteria, also known as nostrae, are photosynthetic and prokaryote that capture sunlight for energy using coliformia and variety accessory treatment. The name Cyanobacteria comes from the color of the bacteria. They are often called blue and green alga, although the name is sometimes considered the misnomer because cyanobacteria are prokaryote and the alga is often reserved for aquarium. They are common in lakes, ponds, springs, with land, streams and rivers, and they play a major role in a nitrogen, carbon and oxygen dynamic of many aquatic environment. Modern day cyanobacteria include some 2000 species in 150 genes and 5 others with a great variety of shape and size. Like other prokaryotes, cyanobacteria have no internal members bound organelles. They perform photosynthesis in disactive found in the other members. Unlike green plant which use organelles coal and coliform. By producing oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis, cyanobacteria are thought to have converted the early editing atmosphere into the oxygen one, casing the rustling of the earth and causing the great oxygenation event, dynamically changing the composition of life from on earth by stimulation, biodiversity and learning to the near extension of anaerobic organization. For the growth of cyanobacteria, for 1 liter water we can add half gram of potassium nitrate. So for 20 liter capacity bucket we need to add 10 gram potassium nitrate consequently after every 7 days. Cyanobacteria act as a food for cypress plankton. Balanced cyanobacteria will multiply safely by the process of multiply fission. Fermentation of sponge fermentation. Cyanobacteria is a product of oxygen by the process of photosynthesis. So it will be help muscles by producing successfully oxygen into the water. So it can serve you more. It is seen in floating in water, so it will help to reduce the temperature and the water in the transparent bucket. Cyanobacteria will multiply in 50 to 74 degrees Celsius and slow water. pH level to water in the bucket can be from 7 to 5 to up to 9. Nostric, voucher, bonnet and flow. There have been 15 species named associated with records for nostrae in Australia. Mostly in species list with few details description and the case has not been received for the collection. The present treatment is based on those collection available to us and cover those tags we accepted as microbiology. Nostrae is commonly found in present freshwater, in temperature water boiled and on soil, even in aid arise but is infectly collection. Nostrae has been responded from science with land in Australia, but without convincing evidence that it was metabolically active in such environment. Modern approach to nostrae taxonomy invalues such information beyond that using for conversation morphological classification. While acknowledging the rightly to such approach experimentally in countries where there are 215 years or more research history and specified fairly close at hand. We are aiming her to established flush line to Australia, from which 5 to laboratory work can start if a name applied in hyposynthetic and always changed. Nitrogen fixation. Cyanobacteria can fix atmosphere nitrogen and anaerobic continents by means of specified codes and called heterocytic. Heterocytic may also form under the approved environment coordinates when 15 nitrogen is success. Hendrology phoning spices and specialized in nitrogen fixation and are able to fix nitrogens into ammonia. Nitrate or nitrate, which can be absorbed by plant and confident of protecting in nucleus air. Most important, there are uric acid.